Have you ever wondered what happens to that delicious burger or that crunchy apple after you take a bite? It's not just a disappearing act. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most incredible organs in your body, the stomach. Get ready for an amazing journey inside the digestive system. It all starts in your mouth. As you chew, your teeth break down the food into smaller, manageable pieces. At the same time, saliva kicks in, not just moistening the food, but also starting the chemical breakdown with special enzymes. Once you swallow, this mashed up food, now called a bolus, travels down a muscular tube called the esophagus. It's like a water slide, using muscle contractions to push the food straight to its next destination. And here we are, at the star of our show, the stomach. Think of it as a muscular, J-shaped bag. When food arrives, the stomach walls start to stretch and churn. This isn't just a random sloshing, it's a powerful mechanical process called peristalsis, where muscles contract to mix and mash the food, turning it into a soupy liquid. It's like a biological blender, making sure everything is thoroughly mixed for the next stage. But the stomach's magic doesn't stop there. While it's churning, it's also releasing some serious chemical power. The stomach lining is dotted with millions of tiny gastric pits that produce gastric juice. This isn't just any juice. It's a potent mix of hydrochloric acid and enzymes. The acid is incredibly strong, helping to neutralize harmful bacteria that might have hitched a ride on your food. It also creates the perfect environment for an enzyme called pepsin to get to work. What does pepsin do? It's a protein-digesting superstar. It specifically targets proteins from things like meat, eggs, or beans, and starts breaking their complex structures into simpler chains called peptides. Imagine a long, tangled necklace being snipped into smaller, more manageable pieces. That's pepsin in action. So, the stomach is both a physical grinder and a chemical processor working together to break down your meal. After a few hours of this intense mixing and chemical breakdown, the one solid food is transformed into a thick, pulpy fluid called chyme. The stomach doesn't just dump this all at once into the intestines. It's much smarter than that. A little muscular valve at the bottom of the stomach, called the pyloric sphincter, opens just a tiny bit at a time, releasing the chyme in small, controlled squirts into the small intestine. This ensures the small intestine isn't overwhelmed and can efficiently absorb all the nutrients. And that's the incredible multitasking journey of food through your stomach. It's a muscular mixer, a chemical factory, and a smart gatekeeper all in one. It's one of the most vital steps in turning your food into the energy that powers your every move, thought, and breath. Isn't the human body just fascinating? Thanks so much for joining me on this digestive adventure today. If you enjoyed this and want to learn more cool facts about how your body works, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more amazing journeys planned. See you in the next video.